Okay, doing some Titan hits. Had a request from an Alliance mate to show my Titan teams and record some Titan hits. So going to run through overall thinking strategy, which is pretty standard. There's a bunch of different YouTube videos out there at the moment explaining Titan team composition. But the short version is that there's 4 ways to give yourself attack up. So there's regular attack up with the likes of Bear Banners, Carol, Bold Tusk. And then there's the stackable attack up with the likes of Mickey, Tarlak, Ranveer, Wukong. So any of those will stack with a regular attack up. Then there's Tile attack up, which is the likes of Jot and Ratatoskr. And the 4th kind of attack up is increase critical hit chance. Of course, when you do hit with critical chance, it doubles the actual damage, so that can be pretty significant as well. So examples of that are Gregorian or Shade Reeve. Okay, so that's the attack ups you can do. There's 2 kinds of defense down. So you can have elemental defense down or regular defense down. So try and get both of those and as many of the attack ups that you can do is the way to try and maximise your Titan scores. It focuses on tile damage, not on the actual specials. So each tile, when you've got all your attack ups and all your defense downs running, can be doing some absolutely massive damage. Yeah, so I think that's about it in terms of team composition. So you need to be moderating that. You can't just go full attack, full defense. If that's going to leave you with a team that's not going to survive for the full duration of the hit, you need to be able to actually get through to also maximise your scores. Okay. Oh, and sorry, the other consideration, the other way of increasing your attack power is your tile damage. So if you have got a slot or more free where you can't add another one of the types of attack up or another one of the defense down types, then consider who has the highest attack stat that you could put in there. Which leads on nicely to this team, because it's got heaps of healing, but that's not because they're healers, it's because Melandor, regular Melandor that is, has an incredibly high attack stat, so he's my highest green attack. The healing is also nice, so the heavily emblem Melandor, he's got an attack stat of about 850. The other Melandor's getting close to 800. But he's there for the defense down. The other Melandor, I haven't got his regular side leveled up, but the Ice Titans give you defense down anyway, so I'd probably still run a Melandor in costume form as a way of overwriting that. And Ranveer is the only one of the... Sorry, I do have Wukong as well, but I don't have Mickey or Tarlak. And Tarlak would be ideal here, being nature. They would add to the tile damage from nature against an Ice Titan. Okay, so that's that team. So 4 Fire Titans. Here's what we've got. So Kirill does attack up, Nordri and Asania do the 2 types of defense down. That Richard, because he's heavily emblemed, has the highest attack stat, incredibly. It's only about 750 of my ice heroes. Yeah, and that's it for that team. I'll talk about the battle item loadouts a bit later. Here, this team, we've got attack up from Rigard and Ranveer. We've got Tibertus doing defense down. Merlin's special is useful here for not silencing the Titan, turning it into a mindless attack. So if you can time his attack correctly, then the Titan becomes less damaging. and Quintus has the highest attack stat of all of my darks, which is why he's along. Okay, in this team, kind of a shame that it's the colour that I've got Ranveer in, but I've got no regular defence down, so I don't have any mono Titan attack teams. So Wilbur for the regular defence down, and the shared damage helps keep Jackal and Ranveer alive. Guardian Jackal for the elemental defence down. Ranveer, as in all my teams. And June's along for the high attack stat. His blind is also useful versus the Titan. So this team and the nature team for attacking Ice Titans are the two elements I don't have a regular attack up in, so I would pretty much always take Bear Banners, or any better equivalent, in terms of the battle loadouts. And I'll now load up my Fire Titan, for killing Green Titans, my Fire team, and I've got some flags and we have a Green Titan at the moment. So just in a moment I will load that up and I'll carry on. Okay, so here is my team for attacking Green Titans. We have a 9-star Green Titan at the moment, so we normally have 10s, so it's a little bit on the small side. So again, we've got regular defence down here, elemental defence down, and Shade Reeve does regular attack up, critical attack up, and Ranveer does the attack boost. So this tends to be my most successful team here. Let me those back. So this is the more powerful loadout I'd use, and I'll show you how that works. But basically the minor mana pots at 20%, the medium mana pots at 60%, and the tornadoes at 40%. Give you different options for getting your specials loaded. Right, let's not going to do much talking as I'm doing my Titan hits. Let's send it. Stun me. Get his attack out of the way. Okay. Not bad. 53. So we'll attack again, but now take a more regular loadout, which is just throw some axes in there to reduce the Titan's damage. That's a way to turn that into a diamond. Where's that going? Okay, one more. Not such a good hit. Left side's a bit frozen here, so that's good. $7,000 damage on that tile. Oops. Done that before. Okay. So there we go. There's some Titan strategy, some Titan teams, and my Titan hits. That will do it.